Oh, there's people.
I just said that.
I said it louder.
Thanks. Leave it to a man. Oh, camcorder. You said, oh, okay, I see how it is.
Is the camcorder on?
Yeah. Whoa, the zoom's in far. Oh, too far.
What are you zooming on?
No.
Hairline check, hairline check. Yippee, yippee.
Whoa.
Wow. Rowan will try to take the lens cap off.
What are we looking at?
Red. That's brioche.
I'm selfish. Oh wait, I lied. I'm not actually selfish. It's supposed to be an unreliable narrative.
Dude, this is gonna be such great dead wife content.
Wait, I'm not zoomed in enough to the hairline. Hairline check.
Andrew check. Who's ready for some snow? Just kidding.
You gotta clean up what you spilled in my car.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up. No, dude, this is such cute dead wife content.
No, no. Nuh-uh.
Dude, you're never gonna have a dead wife.
Thank God. Oh.
I think all food is great. I love food that fuels my body. Talking Over has a fucking camcorder now. This fucking sucks. This is the worst day of my life. This is the worst day. Oh, and then fucking it's recording audio and video.
Me when my wife dies.
Huh? What?
Dead wife footage. Fuck and I were talking about it last night. No.
I saw something that it was like most male manipulator cameras and a camcorder was
What
on there.
the fuck?
It was like
fucking George.
It was a camcorder and a Canon AE1 and I should have sent that shit to you too. It was like that's the cameras that like
I'm not believing it because you didn't send it to me.
I was having a bad. Okay, go away.
Whatever.
Really
Like,
nice right now.
Christian and Alyssa Adams are genuinely close.
That's bad.
It's insane. Insane.
Some people just shouldn't know each other.
I totally agree.
Bro, what is this conversation we're having? Can't even be on the sidewalk
This is
together.
gonna be in the audio of this cool
Yeah.
sun footage.
Fucking.
Diatrist. Oh, yeah.
Anyway, if she gets the job, then I'm just like bored from my shit.
I'll give you a sound check.
That's so beautiful.
That's enough.
Well,
Okay,
I'm
chicks away.
technically I'm 3 degrees of separation from Zero right now.
Fuck, really?
In multiple ways.
Same way with me and Obama.
How again? So am I 4 from Obama?
I guess so.
Wait, how are you 3?
Wait, me to my friend Devin.
Oh.
I like. I don't think it should. What does that even mean? When a guy takes off his pants.
All my photos to look like, right?
That's
Let me see.
just overexposed.
Wait,
Low-key,
actually
he.
really like that.
Oh,
Okay.
See? See?
I like my hair.
Let me see that.
Sometimes. I'm getting used to
What are we looking at?
It is like looking at a different person.
She should post the camcorder of the image on the camera.
it. There's one that-
You have 3 minutes 46 seconds. 3 minutes.
Isn't it? It might already.
It's on. I'm just recording
Each
now.
photo is 61 megabytes.
There's like a lot of. It's a fresh tape.
which is a lot. So like what? 100.
Oh, here
I
we
should have
go.
gotten my lip wax before I came here, not tomorrow.
20 photos is 1 gigabyte.
I have a mustache today, guys.
20 photos is 1 gigabyte.
Yeah.
I have a mustache.
I don't really see it.
It's there though. I know it's there. Oh, this is scary.
You climbed up.
Oh, I like that one.
This
Yeah, on the
is
tire.
bad because you're like
Oh
blinking.
shit! Take the camera. Actually.
Oh, I like. Wait, I like that.
You could grab onto my hand if you want. Oh, you got it.
I was like crazy when I laughed. I don't know why. I like the ones. I like that one.
It's beautiful out.
This is what Jordan was doing,
Nothing like
right? Like
Nothing like nature.
Look, oh my god. Wait, this camera's sick. Look, I got. This is like the framing I did. So I did a bunch of.
Oh, you guys are crazy in this.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's so cute.
I know.
Feeling good back there?
Yeah.
It's better than I look terrible in all of the bands.
Okay, well I got that on.
Yeah, now you're just taking videos of us shit talking you. You're ugly and you're
Hi.
fat and I hate you. What's
And
the?
you have a micro penis. Hey,
That's
I
not
like
the-
this. This is really cute.
That was me.
Thanks. Why do we look like we're looking at like a pregnancy?
Our ultrasound.
It's a girl. It's a girl.
Tick check. Review. Oh, I can
Alright.
zoom.
You can zoom a lot.
Oh.
Take your pants off. We're checking for ticks on camera.
Raising the camera to see if there's any there.
Oh my god. That's vile. On his family camcorder. Jesus.
Ethan unzipped his pants earlier for a bit.
Really?
Okay, don't.
Do it again.
Could do it again.
Is there anything you're supposed to do after getting?
What's the autofocus work on this?
See, you like the camcorder, huh? Yeah, the bag's right there.
Gotta have someone. Why is it in black and white?
It's only in the.
Because I'm dead. I can't tell if you're joking, Garfield.
It's literally. I don't
No.
Ready? Am I running first?
Yes.
I thought you were running with me.
I don't.
3,
What am I
2,
running
1,
with you
go!
with?
Run.
What?
He has the camcorder.
No,
Yes.
just 2 people in the shot.
Running?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's how they do
Was
that.
Okay, God.
Was that the plan?
I'll have whimsy.
3 people running. So fucking stupid, man. This shit's so stupid. Yeah. Still not worth it. Let's go. On my family camcorder. Oh, yeah. I thought you were gonna fuck me. Keep going. Keep going. I'm zoomed in tight on your crotch.
I won't watch it anyway. Wait.